So hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Educated Journey. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install MySQL. First of all, go to the Google and search for MySQL and click on the first link which appears. Then go to the download section, scroll down and you will see MySQL Community GPL downloads. Just click on it. Then see here we are able to see MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Then just download. After this, you will be asking for login or sign up. Just ignore it. Go to no thanks. Just start my download. So you can see my download has been started. It has been completed. Now I will be opening it. After this, you will be able to see this kind of pop-up window. If you want to only install for server, MySQL server, then you can just install server only. But I want to install all include products and features of MySQL. So just click on full. After clicking on next, you will be viewing this. So all these products of MySQL will be installed. Here it's showing the progress. You can see the progress. Now you can see that all the products have been completed. I mean successfully installed. Click on next and the next and just simply click on next. So here you have to create a password to access whenever you want to access your MySQL server. So just create a new password and then click on next. Just click on execute. You can see all of the configurations has to be. Then click on finish. Next. You have to enter the password which you have entered earlier. Then click on check and it's successful. And then click on next. Execute. Done. Finish. Next. And then you can stop this because start MySQL cell and MySQL sort of you can ignore it. You can ignore these two and just click on finish. So yeah, MySQL has been successfully installed. Search for MySQL Workbench and open it. So here is your local host. These are your connections. So successfully you have installed. If you like this video, please subscribe.